So, one common problem we see in trucking is an increasing number of regulatory requirements, whether that's safety requirements, maintenance requirements, driver requirements. It can be complex and costly to stay on top of all of these regulations. Alvys TMS helps with this. We have a safety and maintenance module that keeps track of all of your assets, your trucks, and your drivers, and is going to alert the team whenever a various asset needs attention in terms of keeping track of their regulation requirements. We also integrate with ELD providers so that we can see how many hours a certain driver has been on the road. And the team is also going to receive alerts when a driver is getting closer to reaching that maximum number of hours. So this is just an example of a few ways that Alvys helps to manage all of these regulations, making it easier to stay on top of.